Car waxes are a foundational step in protecting paintwork and preserving gloss, with options ranging from beginner-friendly cleaner wax to advanced ceramic coatings. The products in this review cover a spectrum from budget-friendly Meguiar's Cleaner Wax and Ultimate Liquid Wax to Turtle Wax's Ceramic Spray, Cerakote's Rapid Ceramic Sealant, and Shine Armor's 3-in-1 Waterless Coating.
List number 1. Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax represents a premium liquid wax with a refined hydrophobic polymer formula designed for a glossy finish and durable protection. The product ships with a premium towel and applicator pad, and the formula emphasizes ease of use in full sun, long-lasting protection, and strong water beading. Its synthetic nature aims to provide depth and gloss while maintaining clear coat safety. The packaging and performance positions it as a straightforward upgrade for enthusiasts who want professional-like results without complex steps. In practice, the hydrophobic polymer technology creates a high-level beading effect, with droplets sheeting off surface more readily after curing. The wax is safe for all glossy paints and clear coats, and it can be applied by hand or with the dual-action polisher for larger surfaces. Users with multiple layers of wax may observe diminishing returns if not properly prep sanded and cleaned, but the product generally yields impressive depth and a durable protective layer that resists contaminants and UV exposure. Application is forgiving in sunlight, though extended cure times can improve polymer cross-linking for maximum gloss.
List number 2. Meguiar's Cleaner Wax, Liquid Car Wax. Meguiar's Cleaner Wax is a one-step liquid wax that cleans and polishes while providing protection and a high gloss finish. It's marketed as easier to use than traditional Carnauba waxes and is effective on all glossy finishes, including clear coats. The one-step approach makes it ideal for quick detailing sessions or routine maintenance where you want to remove minor contaminants and restore shine without a multi-step workflow. In practice, this cleaner wax is forgiving for DIY enthusiasts who don't want to shop for separate paint cleaners and waxes. It polishes away blemishes while laying down a protective layer, but the durability may be shorter than pure synthetic sealants or dedicated ceramic coatings. It performs well with the dual-action polisher and provides a bright, polished look after buffing. For darker colors, you may notice slightly more dust adherence after several days, but reapplication is straightforward.
List number 3. Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray is a ceramic spray coating designed to deliver high gloss, extreme hydrophobicity, and a protective barrier with relatively simple application. It's positioned as a spray-on ceramic that can be used for quick touch-ups or full panel application, offering a long wash rating and a slick finish through true ceramic technology. Practical use reveals that Cerakote aims for a mirror-like gloss with minimal effort. Spray, spread, and buff. The product is inherently hydrophobic, repelling water and contaminants, which helps keep the vehicle cleaner between washes. It's best suited for owners who want a high-end ceramic sealant experience without the complexity of traditional ceramic coatings. However, true longevity on rough climate exposure will depend on surface prep and maintenance cycles, and some users may desire formal cure times or reapplication intervals for maximum protection.
List number 4. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating is a 16-ounce spray ceramic coating designed for a high-gloss finish with extreme water beading and durable paint protection. The product claims safe use on multiple surfaces, glass, wheels, trim, and is marketed as easy to apply by spraying onto a clean, dry surface and buffing with a microfiber cloth. It emphasizes quick results and broad surface compatibility, which is ideal for enthusiasts who want protection without committing to a full professional coating process. In practice, the spray delivers a noticeable glossy upgrade with strong water beading and repellency. It's forgiving in direct sunlight and quick to apply, making it suitable for regular maintenance or as a pre-wash step to reduce wash-induced marring. The inclusion of long-lasting polymers contributes to a durable layer, though it is not a substitute for a full ceramic bat. Users should prep the surface, clay or polish, for best results on heavily contaminated paint.
List number 5. Car Wax Spray. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat is a 3-in-1 waterless wash,
coating, and shine spray, designed to simplify detailing with a ceramic coating effect. It's offered as a convenient option for maintenance, touch-ups, or when you don't want to fully wash and wax. The formula emphasizes hydrophobic properties in a protective top coat with a glassy finish, making it appealing for quick, confidence-boosting results between full washes. In use, the product provides a clean, slick surface with impressive beading for a spray-on ceramic experience. It excels for busy owners who want to reduce water usage and enjoy an enhanced gloss in short cycles. The safety on all surfaces adds versatility, but the quality of the finish depends on prior cleaning and the condition of the paint. It is not a full substitute for a dedicated ceramic coating or a thorough wash and wax routine. Reapplication is straightforward and quick, which encourages frequent use.